How are you doing today? I hope you know how important you are. If you're new here, I am Teresa. Thank you for joining me. If you have come back, thanks for coming back. I just got this Alice in Wonderland book back from my mother after she sewed in the signatures, and I am really close to 1,000 subscribers, so I thought this would be fun for the giveaway for once I hit that. So today, though, we are going to go over pockets. I'm going to go through all of the stuff I already have, pre-made, like finished pockets, non-finished pockets, finished tags, all of that, and to just look at what I have to put in here to know what more I need to make. So the first thing, I made this a while back. I will link it for you. And this is going to go into this journal. Not all of it, but most of it. So I'm going to set that aside. These two page pockets, which my mother created, these are going into here. And we're probably just going to throw it onto one of these pages. And they go straight on, and you glue right here on both sides and just stick it on, and then you have a pocket here and a pocket here. So we need to create these, do these. So let's figure out what we have pre-made tags. No, let's start with pre-made pockets to go in here. Some I might wind up seeing if they're tall enough, because some of these are really big, some of these aren't. I have little side tucks. Oh, I like this one. Let's see, will this fit on the pages? That would. No. That might work right there. And then we have a little pocket right there. And we can add more to this part. I like that. Okay. So I have one side tuck, side pocket. Really not seeing others that I want to put in here. Okay, so these are done. Oh, look, this would be fun. Very flowery. And that would totally fit. This is a 2 pocket, and then depending on how you do it, that will look good. Oh, look, this would be a fun little side pocket. Let's see. Maybe this has a bunch of little ephemera. I'd have to change out some of this in here, though. Maybe. We'll put that in our maybe pocket pile. No. This has a pocket here and a pocket here. I like the fact that it has a clock. It would have to, oh, would it fit on one of these? It would. Okay, that's a maybe. We'll see about that one. Oh, here's a double side. That's too big. Okay, so these are the finished ones. Let's look at some unfinished ones, which would be right here. See if we can get any of those in here. That's sewing. Oh, that would be a cute cluster. No, I don't know if I want that. Let's put that in a maybe. I went through here earlier and I really didn't see a whole lot that standed out for it. Maybe we'll put that on the side. That one might work. Okay, that's about all I found there. So we'll need to make some more little pockets and different things like that. Okay, so these are finished tags. We'll see if we could find any. We might not use all of them, but oh, I like that one. Maybe. Oh, that might work. A lot of these are vintagey and really won't work with the scheme I did. Oh, I know all those won't. Oh, that one might be fun. Oh, definitely. Look, Mad Hatter right there. Oh, these are all Harry Potter. Okay. So now we're going to go over these and see. Actually, I think that would probably work. And some of these are just blank or book pages or, you know. Oh, I think that one would be fun. Most of these are blank. So I'm just going to grab a few of them. Oh, that might be fun. I'll take those. Postcards. Oh, this is a double. Look at that. You open it up, and there you go. Yeah, let's use that. I like that one. That one's... I like that. We would decorate this side, not this side, but that's okay. Okay, well, we'll go into here and grab a little bit more if need be. Okay, so we have quite a few tags that will work. Which is good. We like that. We have a few pockets that will work. Now I am wondering about, I see how it's a little bit over, so we really need to, do I want that, or I don't think that will be long enough. We might need to make one. Oh, look, I wonder if that will be, no. Okay. But go about right there, that would totally cover. It really doesn't, I mean, it matches that flower. I'll think about it. We might need to like get and do another ruffle for it. So we'll see. Okay, now what we're gonna do is go over the clusters and pre-made clusters I have and see what will work. So these are my pre-made fat paper clusters, and I really don't know how many. Oh, that would be, I think that would be fun. Okay, let's see. Now these are folly. Oh, that might work. We might not need to make a whole lot of clusters for this. That would be good. Oh, that would be cute in there. Okay. Now last we're going to go over, these are fabric clusters that I thought might work. This one I think would be really fun with the teacups. That might be fun. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, I think that's good right now. We'll see if we need any more clusters. I don't think we will. This isn't a huge book, so. Thank you for joining me as we figure out pre-made what I got. So this one it shall be fun. So I want to do something fun with these. I kind of like them, but I don't know yet what we're going to do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing the process. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.